Good morning everyone. So this is a project of 11th grade model where we are demonstrating the use of wireless power transmission. So this model basically works at the principle of electromagnetic induction. Now we all are familiar with what is electromagnetic induction. The electromotive forces which produces current through an electric conductor using electromagnetivity is called as electromagnetic induction. So basically at a very high level we have a 12 volt DC battery placed over there which transfers power to the control network which is hosted on this breadboard. This breadboard relays current to the transistor which is a TTC5200 transistor. This amplifies the current and then transfers to the copper coil which is placed over here.
So basically we are passing the DC current to this coil and asking this coil to generate an electromagnetic field around here. The coil has taken specific turns. 150 we have taken 6 inches diameter, good enough to create a good quantity of power. The power is getting generated here.
So as you can see, this is our receiving coil. It is a movable coil and we have kept it intentionally movable so as to receive the impact of the voltage and the power generated with respect to the distance maintained. So due to the electromagnetic induction, the transisting coil develops a field. This field gets transferred over to the receiving coil and as a result the receiving coil gets the power. This power we are going to manifest or rather see the effect of it on this load LED. So as you can see, when we connect these LEDs to the battery, the LED starts to glow. And when we move the receiving coil further away from the transmitting coil, then the LED's glow starts to dim out. So here we have shown that the power has been transferred over wirelessly from this coil to this coil and hence the LED was able to glow.
So here we have proved two things, that how a power is transmitted wirelessly and the principle of electromagnetic induction, that as the distance increases the electromagnetic field decreases. So at last we here concluded our product. Thank you.
Good morning one and all. Today we are presenting our science exhibition. Our project is environmental concern. Our subtopic is solar power irrigation system. Solar power irrigation system is a clean technology option for irrigation. It is used for allowing the energy source for water pumping, replacing greenhouse emission for aggregated agriculture, reducing fossil fuels as an energy source, and etc. For advantages of this process are providing a clean technology for fossil fuels and enabling the development of low carbon and irrigation, reduces the electric bill. Irrigation is increases up to agricultural yield up to 50%. It improves grid security. And reduces cost for maintenance. Thank you.
Good morning. I am trying to represent environmental concern. एनवायरमेंटल में कंसर्न में सबसे ज़रूरी होती है इंडस्ट्री मीन्स जो बड़ी बड़ी कंपनियां होती हैं उनसे निकलने वाले गंदे पानी, हार्मफुल केमिकल वगैरह की वजह से पानी का पोल्यूशन होता है, उसे कहते हैं वाटर पोल्यूशन. अब आते हैं हम नॉइज़ पोल्यूशन पे. नॉइज़ पोल्यूशन जो हमारी सोसाइटी में डीजेस वगैरह यूज़ होते हैं उसकी वजह से 15% तक उसकी वजह से नॉइज़ पोल्यूशन होता है, जिसकी वजह से हमारी ओजोन लेयर कम होती जा रही है. और हम जो गाड़ियाँ वगैरह यूज़ करते हैं उनकी वजह से 30% तक उनकी वजह से भी एयर पोल्यूशन होता है. एयर पोल्यूशन की बात करें तो सबसे पहला नाम आता है रॉकेट का. रॉकेट जब हमारे इंडिया में लॉन्च होता है तो रॉकेट की वजह से 30% तक रॉकेट की वजह से एयर पोल्यूशन होता है. थैंक यू.
गुड मॉर्निंग. हमारे प्रोजेक्ट का नाम है स्मोकिंग. हमने बनाया है कि नॉर्मल इफ़ेक्ट्स, जैसे हम स्मोकिंग नहीं करते तो ऐसे इफ़ेक्ट रहते हैं अपने लंग्स के. फिर बाद में जब हम स्मोकिंग करना स्टार्ट करते हैं तो थोड़े थोड़े इफ़ेक्ट्स पड़ते हैं, फिर अपने लंग्स के ऐसे कलर हो जाते हैं. जैसे कि हमने इसमें बताया, इसमें हम लोग ने स्मोक ऐड करके ये बताया था कि कॉटन का कलर जैसे चेंज हुआ है वैसे ही चेंज हो जाता है अपने लंग्स का कलर. फिर बाद में जैसे लत लग जाती है, ज़्यादा स्मोकिंग करने लगते हैं तो वैसे ऐसे लंग्स हो जाते हैं. फिर बाद में हमारा कहना है कि लंग्स डैमेज होने लगते हैं, ज़्यादा ज़्यादा स्मोकिंग नहीं करना चाहिए। इसकी वजह से बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकती है, जैसे कि अपने चेहरे पर झुर्रियाँ पड़ जाती, ओट्स काले हो जाते हैं, और फिर इसमें जो मोनोऑक्साइड कार्बन रहता है वो अपने फेफड़ों में जाकर ऑक्सीजन लेवल कम कर देता है। ऑक्सीजन लेवल कम कर देता है। इससे हमारा कहना है कि हमें बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम होती है। स्मोकिंग अपने हेल्थ के लिए ठीक नहीं है। प्लीज़ स्मोकिंग ना कीजिए। थैंक यू।
Good morning, sir. My main topic is technology and toys, and my subtopic is environmental conservation. We make this project on topic of forest conservation. We can, due to increase of human population, are there some needs. To fulfill the needs, man cut out the trees and forests are many destroy. We make this model. We can help you to save the forest, small areas. First upon,
this forest is conserved by government, so it is protected by laser. The laser when passes through these mirrors, and when an object comes to this, the buzzer starts beeping.
one is important that one is important that how this model is work around the forest and farm. When laser is coming and pass reflect to this mirror, the connection between the laser and LDR get disturbed, and the connection with the buzzer gets start beeping. When sub thief is coming, the connection between the LDR and the lasers, the beams get reflect on this body and buzzer gets start beeping. If you alert to us, it can be used in bank security and home security. Thank you.
हेलो बच्चों, क्या हाल चाल? बढ़िया एकदम. माय नेम इज पीयूष पाटिल.
माय नेम इज अथर्व भोसले.
My name is Khan Atif.
माय नेम इज समीर कुरैशी.
हमने आज ना इन्वायरमेंटल फ्रेंडली कार बनाई है. हमारे टॉपिक का नाम है एनवायरमेंटल कंजर्वेशन फ्रॉम इको फ्रेंडली मटेरियल्स. हमारी कार है स्मॉल मिनी थार. इसका आपको ये गाड़ी बहुत मतलब इसका एडवांटेज है, ये बहुत चीप है प्राइस में एज़ कम्पेयर टू पेट्रोल कार्स. ये आपको ऑलमोस्ट एक चार्ज पे 400 किलोमीटर्स टू 350 किलोमीटर्स देती है. और प्लस आपको ये पेट्रोल की गाड़ियों से बहुत सस्ती मिलती है, क्योंकि पेट्रोल की गाड़ियाँ 1 किलोमीटर के लिए 8 से 9 रुपये चार्ज करती है, जिधर ये गाड़ी आपको ऑलमोस्ट 1.5 रुपीज़ टू 2 रुपीज़ चार्ज करती है. प्लस इसके एडवांटेजेस में ये बहुत सबसे बड़ा पॉइंट मतलब ये एनवायरमेंटल फ्रेंडली है, क्योंकि ये ना एयर पोल्यूशन कर रही है ना नॉइज़ पोल्यूशन कर रही है. और प्लस ये पूरा बैटरीज पे है, फिर सोलर पैनल्स पे है, कि जो बैटरीज है वो ऐसे भी चार्ज होती है पॉइंट से, और फिर आप जब सोलर पैनल यूज़ करते हो या किधर धूप में ट्रैवल करते हो तो वो धूप पे भी चार्ज हो सकती है. और प्लस ये गाड़ी बहुत एफिशिएंट है चलने के लिए. और ये गाड़ी का आपको प्राइस ऑलमोस्ट 17 to 18 lakhs आता है बड़ी गाड़ी का. और ये गाड़ी पेट्रोल की गाड़ी से थोड़ी महंगी आती है प्राइस के टाइम पे, पर वो गाड़ी बाद में आपको एफिशिएंटली बहुत कम प्राइस चार्ज करती है. थैंक यू.
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन. हमारे प्रोजेक्ट का नाम प्लास्टोस्कोप है. प्लास्टोस्कोप यह एक कंपाउंड माइक्रोस्कोप की तरह काम करता है. जैसे कि आपको पता ही होगा कि कंपाउंड माइक्रोस्कोप की कीमत कितनी भारी होती है. जो ग्रामीण इलाकों के विद्यालय और महाविद्यालय के स्टूडेंट्स वो नहीं ले पाते, उनके पास ये उपलब्ध नहीं हो पाता, तो हमने यह माइक्रोस्कोप बनाया है. यह साधारण 200 से 300 रुपये में बना है यह माइक्रोस्कोप. और ग्रामीण इलाकों के टीचर्स उन्हें माइक्रोस्कोप के स्ट्रक्चरल एंड सेल्स एंड स्टोमेटा वो बोर्ड पे ड्रॉ करके बताते या फिगर में बताते. इसकी वजह से उनका दुष्टात्मक प्रभाव अच्छे से नहीं हो पाता. तो यह माइक्रोस्कोप वो घर पे भी बना सकते हैं और अच्छे से समझ सकते हैं.
हमने ये माइक्रोस्कोप 2 प्लास्टिक के बॉटल से बनाया. ऊपर हमने आईपीस 10X और नीचे ऑब्जेक्टिव लेंस फिट किया है और हमने ये स्टैंड बनाने के लिए कार्डबोर्ड का यूज़ किया है। और जब हमने इस माइक्रोस्कोप के ऊपर मोबाइल का कैमरा रखा था तो हमें ये पिक्चर हमें मिला है। और हम ये माइक्रोस्कोप किधर भी, ये बहुत कन्वीनियंट है, हम इसे किधर भी लेके जा सकते हैं। बस थैंक यू। कैमरा
Good morning, sir. My project name is environmental concern. So environmental concern is a harm given by a human being. We have covered 5 topics. First is the air pollution, second is the water pollution, third is the sound pollution, fourth is the deforestation, and fifth is the soil pollution. Moving towards the first, this is the factory which is making the air pollution. Air pollution is damaging the ozone layer of the earth. Second, the factory is doing the water pollution, which is harming to the aquatic plants and animals. This is the jungle which has been cut by the humans and which is leading to deforestation. This is the dustbin which has not been used properly. All the garbage is fallen down, so it is causing soil pollution. This is the speaker which is at the higher level volume and situated near the building, which is causing the sound pollution, and this is also dangerous to the health of the humans. About this dustbin, this is also causing respiratory disease such as health issues. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, one and all. Here we are presenting our science exhibition project. Our project name is Wastewater Treatment Center. This is our industry, and here the waste product of industries are collected, and these are the 4 stages of clearing the water. First one is treatment center, second one is primary treatment stage, third one is secondary treatment stage, and last one is final treatment. Wastewater treatment is a large plant where water is clean before going to other water bodies. It involves 3 processes. First one is chemical, biological, and physical processes. These processes are used for removing the impurities from the wastewater.
This is primary treatment stage. In this stage, air is pumped into the clarified water, and because of increasing of bacteria decomposes the food materials and unwanted materials from the water. And this is the secondary treatment stage. In this stage, it removes the residual solids and unwanted solids from the water.
In this final treatment, the water is treated with chlorine, and for this bleaching powder is added, and chlorine is kills to the germs and are present in water. And after the chlorinization, the water is fit for farming and agriculture.
Good morning, sir. We are presenting our science project. Our project name is Eco-Friendly Village. There is underwater gutter, and we connect the pipe. It sucks that polluted water till this tank, and this tank purifies the water, and with this pipe we release that water in this tank, that purified water, and with this pipe we use that water for agriculture and for daily needs.
Wind, and this wind wire is a structure that produces the wind power into electrical energy, and it produced by using vanes. Vanes are called strains and blades certified from grain mills, and it extend the wind pumps and wind turbines. Windmills are a structure. Windmill is a machine that harnesses the wind powers in the electrical energy. These are the solar panels that we can use in our daily needs. In our every village there will be no need of the electricity. We can use the solar panels.
So, solar energy is radiant light and heat. Solar energy is radiant light and heat that is from sun, that is harnessed a range of technologies such as solar power to generate electricity. For example, solar thermal energy and solar architectures. Thank you, sir.
Science and spirituality. In ancient years, before 800 years ago, spirituality is in limited hand. But due to aura and biofield viewer, it is observed by every person. Aura can increase by meditation. Let's see how to increase aura by meditation. First one is melatonin and meditation. Pineal gland of our brain secretes the hormone melatonin, which controls the rhythmic movement of our body. This gland is situated in the brain and in between two eyebrows, which is called as Ajna Chakra. This gland develops the pituitary, thyroid and other organs. It regulates the immune system and works as an antioxidant. It controls sleeping state of body and develops bone marrow cells. These hormones is useful for radiation therapy for the negative effect. This gland is active at night time. Cancer, sleeplessness, tension, menopause and other problems of a body, this melatonin level decreases. Melatonin is antioxidant which increases the effect of other antioxidants. It doubles the effect of vitamin E. In women, the level of melatonin get decreased, due to which type 2 diabetes possibilities get increased. Melatonin is anti-aging characters. Antioxidant protect the cell due death occur from free radicals. When oxygen is utilized 95 to 99% for production of energy, but 5 to 1% is used for destruction of good cells, due to which aging process will start. When we sleep in the light, the level of melatonin always decreases. So we always sleep in the dark. Even though tea, coffee, pineapple, rice, cherry increase the melatonin, but melatonin increase due to pineal gland is very effective. Pineal gland is the third eye of our soul. It increases the level of melatonin up to 98%. It is proved by scientists. Therefore, you should always meditate 20 to 30 minutes before go to sleep.
Aging and meditation. Aging is a natural process that happens with every human being at some point. We cannot stop this process, but we can slow down this process. For that, meditation is a great solution. DNA has telomere region, which is shown in the figure. In cell division, DNA part telomere becomes smaller and smaller with each cell division, due to which DNA core size decreases and therefore the cell division will stop and then the life of cells will near to end. Therefore, cell enzyme telomerase repair the part of telomere. When meditation is carried out by human, at that time the activity of enzyme will start again and then the life of human organs will increase. DNA is a bio-superconductor. It collects light stimulation. DNA is a wormhole. It is temporary and flexible in structure. It creates a vacuum domain which converts gravitational force into electric energy. DNA is this vacuum domain This vacuum domain has their own light will flow in the less vibration into the wave of human brain. Therefore, changes occur genetic code on DNA. Therefore, it look like clouds.
Now we will see more information about meditation through a short video.
नमस्कार। मनुष्य सदैव सत्य की खोज में चलता आ रहा है। खोज है इस विश्व के सत्य की, जिसका वह एक अंश मात्र है। हजारों सालों की अथाह खोज से उत्क्रांति के पादानों को पार करते करते मनुष्य के ज्ञान का क्षेत्र विस्तृत होता जा रहा है। साथ साथ उसके मस्तिष्क की क्षमता भी बढ़ती चली जा रही है। खोज या तो अपनी बुद्धि के जरिए वह बाह्य उपकरणों के द्वारा करता है, या तो फिर अपनी ही अंतरात्मा में झांककर स्वयं की अनुभूति के आधार पर उस सत्य की प्राप्ति करता है। सत्य एक ही है, मार्ग अलग है। मार्ग से जुड़ी धारणाएं अलग है, इतनी अलग कि विरोधी ही लगती है। आध्यात्म तथा विज्ञान विरोधी है या दोनों पूरक है? आध्यात्म और विज्ञान एक ही सिक्के के दो पहलू है। महान वैज्ञानिक डॉक्टर अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन ने बहुत ही सुंदर वाक्य कहा है, The more I study science, the more I believe in God। यानी कि जितना मैं विज्ञान के बारे में पढ़ते जाता हूँ, उतना ही भगवान की ओर मेरा विश्वास बढ़ते जाता है। विज्ञान और आध्यात्म को जोड़ती इस प्रदर्शनी के माध्यम से आज हम कुछ विशेष विषयों के बारे में जानेंगे। प्राचीन समय में जिस सूक्ष्म शरीर के बारे में जो बात कही गई है, क्या वो सच है? उसके ऊपर अध्ययन मेटाफिजिक्स में हो रहा है और वर्तमान में आधुनिक संशोधनों से एवं उपकरणों से सूक्ष्म शरीर के अस्तित्व को भी मान्यता मिली है। इस सूक्ष्म शरीर को ह्यूमन बायोफील्ड या ऑरा कहा जाता है। मानव शरीर अल्पस्तरीय प्रकाश, ऊष्मा और ध्वनि ऊर्जा बाहर फेंकता है, जिसे प्रत्यक्ष रूप में समझना थोड़ा मुश्किल है। शरीर से निकलता अल्प प्रकाश, जिसे बायोफोटोन कहते हैं, उसके ऊपर जापान के कोबायाशी लैब के द्वारा अनेक संशोधन हो चुके हैं, जिसमें व्यसन से लेकर शारीरिक समस्या के वक्त नैसर्गिक हीलिंग के तहत इसका उत्सर्जन पाया देखा गया। एक कोश से दूसरे कोश तक संदेश पहुंचा रहे यह बायोफोटोन क्या एक मनुष्य से दूसरे मनुष्य में भी संदेशवाहक की भूमिका निभाते होंगे? मेडिकल साइंस में स्थूल शरीर की गतिविधि को जानने के लिए ECG, EEG, GSR, fMRI, PET, MRI, SpO2 जैसे उपकरणों का उपयोग किया जाता है। वैसे ही मनुष्य के बायोफील्ड यानी कि ऑरा को जांचने के लिए विभिन्न उपकरणों की भी शोध की गई है। मनुष्य के विचारों से एवं भावनाओं से प्रभावित हो रहे इस आभामंडल को जांचकर भीतरी व्यक्तित्व को भी परख सकते हैं। समस्या स्थूल शरीर पर आने से पहले आभामंडल को प्रभावित करती है। इसको देखकर बीमारी होने के पूर्व इसकी सूचना दी जा सकती है। क्या पेस्टिसाइड्स का वनस्पति पर या विचारों एवं भावनाओं का मनुष्य के आभामंडल पर प्रभाव पड़ता होगा? प्रकृति में तो कोई विचार ही नहीं होते, मनुष्य विचारों के प्रदूषण का निर्माण करता है। अभी मनुष्य इतना संवेदनशील नहीं है, इसी कारण प्रकृति में होने वाले इस वैचारिक प्रदूषण के बारे में नहीं जान पाया है। अन्य जाने ध्यान से संबंधित वैज्ञानिक संशोधनों को मनुष्य के मस्तिष्क में सतत तरंगें उत्पन्न होती।
So human body is made up of two types of state, physical and second energy. Our energy means aura. Aura is present in both living and non-living things. Aura is never stable. It changes. The aura is due to the situation, how we react. It is also dependent on how our environment is, etc. So now I will tell you some 7 energies of aura. So the 7 energies from first to 7 are: first one, it's Mooladhari; second, Swadhisthana; third, Manipura; fourth, Hriday Chakra; fifth is Vishnu throat chakra; sixth, Ajna Chakra, which is present between our 2 eyebrows, and the last and the 7th is Sahasrara Chakra, which is present on topmost head of our head. Nowadays, in our hospitals, the machines which are used to detect the diseases are very costly. But our scientists had invented many new machines to detect aura on computer. So here are some examples of that machine. GDV, RFI systems are some machines which can detect a human aura. There are many benefits of aura sciences. The machine they are the scanners which scan your throat, palm, chest, etc., and they give you the results. They are very advanced because they scan the diseases which will affect you after 6 months. The diseases do not affect you directly. It affects your aura first, and after 6 months it affects to your physical body. Thank you.
Good morning, teachers. This is our model. This is eco-friendly model. In this model, we have shown solar and wind power generation. These are purely renewable source of energy. We show solar houses. In solar houses, all the electric work with the help of the solar panels. And we show a solar car. Solar cars work on electricity. They do not need any petrol or diesel, and this help to reduce air pollution while not using diesel and petrol. We show an organic farm. This is water treated by a harvested rainwater which is stored in a tank. In our area, we know there are many water problems. That's why we store our water in a tank and water it to our organic farm. A question may arise in your mind. In night, how the solar panel will works. In night, in that case we will produce electricity with the help of inverter or battery. We store the electricity. Our main motive to make this project was to do not harm any environment, harm our environment, and to tell others to use organic and eco-friendly materials. Thank you.
Good morning, teachers. This is a water. Our project is a water transistor which transmit the water and check the water level about how many water we collect through a water tank in our houses and colonies, which are building and schools. We can see that we are adjusted water tanks, but the water tanks overflow and water get out and it get waste. But with the help of the water alarm, we can check how the water is filling up and it should be not wasted. We will show now the working of this process. In this process, now we should add the water in it. After adding the water level increases and the buzzer start on and the alarm on the device, and we can know that the water is filled, so that it cannot wasted up.
Good morning, everyone. We all are gathered here to present a very interesting project. When 2 weeks ago in our college, we were asked to make a science project for a science exhibition. Then I got the idea in my mind to make multi-purpose store. So I consult with my team and we start to work on a project. We construct our project as follows. First, we take 3 alloy metal pieces. First for the base, and second the round shape of the store. After that, we join the base and the round shape of the store with the help of welding. Then we have to make 2 holes on the top of the store, first for pouring water and second to taking out exit vapor. Then we fit pipe to taking exit the vapor through this pipe in the container. After that, we make another hole on the back side of the store and fit a pipe to drain hot water.
The stove is made up of alloy metal, sand, clay, same like chulhas, which are mostly used in north side of villages in north side. The people of village have to use earthen stove for cooking, due to which there is air pollution. They burn dry wood. They burn dry wood that causes air pollution. And the children of village fall more ill due to this pollution. There are more diseases like asthma, eye problem and skin problem. The people of village also have to do household work along with farming, such as cooking, heating water for bath, etc. and the people of village do not have much time because they have to do a lot of work in the field. While cooking, the hot wood can also burn their hands. The people of village also use coal for more extent for cooking, due to which disease like heart attack can cause. The coal smoke causes disease like lung cancer, TB throat cancer and skin cancer, etc.
We invent this project multi-purpose stove. Agriculture is done in every villages. We feed the animal fodder mulch from crops harvested from the fields, and leftover mulch we are using for a fuel and other thing. We can use this mulch in our project. These causes very low air pollution. So we will use this mulch in our project. When we make some meals on this project, the outside part of the stove becomes hot, and after that we pour some water from this hole. Then the water becomes hot after some time. Then we will drain hot water from this tap, and we will get hot water while making some meals on the stove. The hot water steamed and collected from this side through this pipe. This is a condenser for condensation process. The hot water steam and condensed from this pipe, and the steam converted into a liquid. This liquid is called as distilled water. This distilled water is used in lab, batteries and other activities, and this distilled water is mainly used in cities. The villager can also earn money to selling this distilled water. We can also use this model as in dhabas they are making naan rotis like this stove. They can also make their naan rotis from inside the stove, and they can also find the. Thank you.
Hello, my today topic is environmental concerns. Industry, more important is industry. Industry का जो गंदा वाटर बीटर रहता है वो डायरेक्ट रिवर में रिवर्स होता है. हम इसको वाटर फिल्टर करके मतलब यूज़ कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट सोसाइटी में वॉइस पॉल्यूशन होता है, जिसकी वजह से छोटे बच्चे लोग का मतलब हेल्थ पे असर होता है. वॉइस पॉल्यूशन, बायोगैस प्लांट, सोलर स्टेशन और एयर पॉल्यूशन. इंडस्ट्री का जो केमिकल वो सब होता है वो एयर में पॉल्यूशन होता है, और अपने अर्थ पे पॉल्यूशन बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. इंडस्ट्री सोसाइटी सबका मिक्स. थैंक यू.
My project name is mushroom. Mushroom is very helpful for our body. Mushroom give rich B vitamin. Mushrooms give important services like nutrients. Mushroom contain protein, vitamin, minerals and antioxidant. B vitamins contains to get energy from our body. It contains memory, health, memory, learning and etc. There are many five benefits about mushroom. First, anti-cancer. Second, increase bone and health. Third, to protect our brain. Fourth, it helps to make young. Fifth, it is allow that it removes toxins from lung and liver. Thank you. As we all know that the lift is used to transport people and good along floors and the buildings. Is the working principle of a elevator system. The pulley system is used to transport. This is an electric motor. This is a switch. This is cable. This is a battery for a power. The lift will start pulling up because yes. And this will pull down. Thank you.
Morning, my topic for science exhibition is health and cleanliness. Here I have drawn the mother nature and the good and bad impacts on the mother nature. The bad impacts on the mother nature are waste disposal anywhere and the deforestation. The good impacts on the mother nature are yoga, tree plantation, cleanliness, healthy food and yoga. Here is the life cycle of human, which consists of 7 stages excluding fetus, that are infant 0 to 1 years, toddler 2 to 4 years, childhood 5 to 12 years, adolescence 13 to 19 years, adulthood 20 to 39 years, middle age 40 to 59 years, old age 60 plus years, and at the end there is death. I have also shown sanitization in this, which means the prevention of human contact with waste for hygienic purpose. So the types of sanitization are basic sanitization, on-site sanitization, housing sanitization, etc. Here there is a lung model which demonstrates how our lungs function. When we exhale or breathe out, the diaphragm expands, and when we inhale or breathe in, the diaphragm contracts. This is the machine called respirometer or spirometer, by which we can check how healthy our lungs are. We will inhale as hard we can in this. First of all, we have to clean this machine. I conclude by saying that a person who has healthy breathing and healthy lungs can be free from majority of diseases, and we can have healthy lungs and healthy breathing by yoga, which is one of the important life skill, and pranayam such as Kapal Bharti, Ujjayi pranayam, and Anulom Vilom, Bhastrika. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. We have made a model of hydroelectric power plant. The main topic of a science exhibition is technology and toys, and the subtopic is environmental concerns.
Working of this model, first we have to fill the water. The water starts falling from the straw on the caps. The caps is attached to the main wheel, and main wheel is connected to the shaft of the motor. When the main wheel rotate, it also rotates the shaft of the motor in anti-clockwise, through which electricity is produced.
Application. So this model of hydroelectric power plant is used in dams. This method is used to generate electricity through water. Hydropower plants can generate power immediately, and hence they create an essential supply of backup electricity or power.
Hydroelectric power plants provide benefits beside electric power generation. They also provide help in flood control, irrigation support, and they provide drinking water. Hence, hydropower is very affordable. Thank you.
Good morning. Our project is based on the topic environmental concern, and we have made the earthquake detector. The apparatus which we have used to make this detector are battery, on and off switch, buzzer, metal nut, cardboard paper, etc. The working of this model is based on work and warning earthquake detector. This is when an earthquake occurs with an vibration. This causes the movement of pendulum, and such a movement of pendulum will trigger the sound of the bell.
Advantages of our model are this earthquake detector can detect such a long seismic motion that can cause to the prevention of the earthquake damage for oil tanks, railway bridge of great height, highway, etc.
Application of our model is this detector helps to alert us from the earthquake so that we can make plan for future. Many times this alarm can be lifesaver too. With simple material and science concept, we can easily make this school alarm. Thank you.
Our topic is based on eco-friendly material. The name of our topic is solar energy to electrical energy.
First sunlight hits a solar panel creating the electric field. The solar panel creating generate the electric current which passing through the conductive wires through and out from the panels. The solar panel a wire transfer the electricity to the inverter. Here the DC electricity transfer to the AC electricity. To kind standard wall from the to your all standard walls and your home.
Good morning everybody, respected teacher, principals and all my dear friends. Welcome to our project. Our project is a ropeway model which is based on transportation and innovation. Our project is a ropeway model which is a lifting transportation to across the river or a reverse. It is a ropeway model which transportation from one station to another station in a short time and in a less time. Ropeway model is also known as aerial tram because it is an aerial transportation. Let me introduce to our project. We have connected one battery and one motor and one cable which is attached to the cart. When we turn on this motor, this go from one station to another station, so the people will come here one station to another station in a less time, in a short time. The first ropeway model was invented in 1867 by Sir Halliday. The biggest ropeway model is in Sweden, which is about 13.7 kilometer. Thank you for visiting to our project.
Good morning everyone. This project is from topic Advancement Information and Communication Technology from subtopic Geostationary Orbit. First, let me introduce you to the term satellite. Satellite is any object that revolves in curved path around planet. Satellites are of two major types, natural and artificial. Artificial satellites are that are made by human beings for their own benefits. The satellites send signal to the earth that are catched by antenna and are used for various purposes. Now let us look at geostationary satellite. Geostationary satellites are Earth orbital satellites that are placed at altitude of approximately 22,500 kilometer and 22,300 miles at equator. This satellite revolves in orbit of east to west.
It is take 24 hours complete to their rotation. It revolves in a geostationary satellites, monitor and observe the Earth atmospheric. It is used for communication purpose like television, TV, phone, satellites, radio.
The advantage of this satellite is position related to the Earth's atmosphere, and it doesn't need to be revolved. Due to this high altitude, the Earth satellite is meteorological purpose.
Thank you. Good morning everyone. Today we are presenting the science exhibition. Our topic name is environmental concern. Subtopic is environmental hazard. An environmental substance is a state or event which has potential to threaten the surrounding or natural environment, adversely affect people's health, including pollution and natural disasters such as storms and earthquakes.
Type of pollutions. Noise pollution. The common health disease that causes due to noise pollution is noise-induced hearing disease. The noise pollution that causes the health disease that are high blood pressure, heart disease, sleep disturbance, heart disease, sleep disturbance, and stress. This affect to all age groups, including children. We can avoid the noise pollution by taking the measures such as lowering the maintenance of the vehicles and the machines, including the noise that are taken during the traffic signals, etc.
Water pollution is a substance which discharging oils, hazardous substance and then affect into stream factories and then into the open sewers. Water pollution by the substance also makes the water unusable for drinking, cooking, cleaning, swimming, etc. Avoid air pollution causes gases, dust, particles, etc. harm to the human health and affect the natural sites. Increase in the nitrogen dioxide, the plants grow faster, etc.
Solutions are replace disposal items with reusable items. The use of plastic should be avoided. Conserve water and electricity. Support environmental friendly practice. Thank you.